Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to create an Apple ID using your Android phone, step by step, so you can access Apple services like iCloud, Apple Music, and more. But before that, we will walk through Step 1. Open the Apple website. Step 2. Fill in your Apple ID details. Step 3. Verify and complete your account. Let us jump right in. At step number 1, open the Apple website. Open any browser on your Android phone like Chrome. In the address bar, type account.apple.com. Once the page loads, tap Create your Apple ID. This allows you to create an Apple account even without an iPhone, since Apple lets users sign up through the web. Step number 2, fill in your Apple ID details. Enter your first name and last name. Select your birthday. Type your email address. This will be your Apple ID. Create a strong password. Enter your phone number for security. Make sure all information is correct. Then tap Continue. Apple requires basic details like email, password, and phone number to create your account securely. Step number 3. Verify and complete your account. Check your email for a verification code and enter it. Then enter the code sent to your phone number. Complete any remaining steps on the screen. Once verified, your Apple ID is ready to use, and you can sign in to Apple services like iCloud and the App Store. And hey, for disclaimer purposes only, this video by Wireless Solutions is made for educational and informational purposes only. All steps and settings shown are safe and publicly available features of Android and its apps. Results may vary depending on your device model and software version. Always proceed carefully and make changes at your own discretion. And that's it. Now you know how to create an Apple ID on Android the right way. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tech tips. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.